Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this session we will see from where we can learn the AWS CDK. Okay, so there are multiple blogs you will find the official documentation and the YouTube channels. Okay, so I personally follow these uh, two three blogs, basically official websites. So these are the very helpful website basically to learn the AWS CDK. Some of the officials and some of the other blogs. Okay, other user blogs, which are very interesting. So first is official website for the AWS. Okay, you can simply search AWS CDK and just enter. You will see the link like this way. Okay, AWS Web Service CDK. This is official website for the AWS to learn the AWS CDK, and just click on get started with the AWS CDK. Okay, so it will redirect to proper page, and from here, from then we can just read about the introduction and the end-to-end process basically to clear the concepts. Then there is a one page basically API reference. Just you can just click on that, and we can go to the API reference here. Okay, again click on API reference. From here you can get the advanced, the CDK code knowledge basically. Suppose I want to work on the EC2, just search EC2. Okay, just expand it, and if you just click on the overview button, overview options, you will see for the suppose if you want to create the EC2 instance, then what package and the module I can use. Okay, so this way you can just get the idea, like what imports I can use. So you can just get the CDK code knowledge here. Okay, the another one is basically the cdkworkshop.com. So don't worry about the link, I will definitely put in the description box. Okay, so CDK workshop is also similar to some helpful websites for to get the AWS CDK knowledge. Okay, so from here you can just, if you just click on the prerequisites and click on AWS CLI, you will get the uh, basically installer package, the prerequisite basically what package need to install, then how to configure the user accounts and all. Okay, so you will get the detailed script steps with the screenshot. Okay, then if you just click on the TypeScript workshop, and if you just click on the hello lambda functions, then you will get the CDK code here. Okay, lambda function code, and then how to deploy it, you will get the all the details here. Okay, this way. So this is the very helpful websites. Another one I personally follow, that is bobbyhats.com something. Okay, so this one also the very helpful website to follow. The guy who is author is very the Borislav or something. Okay, might be I pronounced the wrong name. Okay, but this is the blogs where you can find the very good amount of content for the AWS CDK. Okay, so you can refer that to learn the AWS CDK.